Ready to bake a Karpatka that's as beautiful as it is delicious? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's New Year and today we are making a stunning Karpatka, a polished dessert with fluffy choux pastry layers and creamy filling. This is perfect for when you want something special yet easy. Let's go over the ingredients and whip up this delicious treat together. Here are the ingredients for pastry cream: 2.5 glass milk, 5 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons starch, 8 gram vanilla, 100 gram butter, and 1 egg yolk. Add all of these ingredients, except the butter, to a medium saucepan. Whisk well to combine, then heat over medium, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens to a pudding-like. Remove from heat. You have two options for left butter. Option 1, less mess. While the cream is hot, add all the butter and stir until fully melted and smooth. Transfer the cream to a bowl, cover with plastic wrap, and chill it in the refrigerator for at least an hour. Option 2. Transfer the hot cream to a bowl, cover it with plastic wrap, and chill it for about an hour. Once cold, whisk softened butter, then add the cream to that butter and whisk it until smooth and creamy. Choose whichever method works for you. I showed both in the video. Here's what you will need for 2 choux pastry layers: 100 gram water, 100 gram milk, 100 gram butter or 80 gram vegetable oil, 4 eggs, 120 gram all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, and a pinch of salt. In a medium pot, add milk, water, butter, sugar, and salt. Heat over medium heat until the butter melts completely. Now remove from heat and add all the flours at once. Stir quickly with a wooden spoon. Then return to low heat and stir for about 5 more minutes until a thick foam forms on the bottom of the pot. That means it's ready. Move the dough to another bowl and let it sit for about 10 minutes until just warm to the touch. You can rest it for more minutes. It's optional. Before finishing the choux, preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius, then line a springform pan with parchment paper. Now let's continue. Add 4 eggs one by one, mixing well with a whisk or a spatula after each. The choux will start lumpy but become smooth and glossy by the last egg. It should be soft but hold its shape. We will make 2 layers from that choux. Now, pour half of the dough in this springform pan, spreading it evenly with a spoon, and bake it for about 25 to 30 minutes until golden and puffed. Carefully remove the parchment paper and cool on a rack. Repeat for the second layer. Place 1 cooled choux layer in the springform pan, then spread powdered sugar, and also spread all the cream that we made. Now add the second layer and top it with powdered sugar. Put it on the refrigerator for an hour. When ready, release the springform, slice, and serve this creamy Karpatka. Let me know in the comments how's yours turned out. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes. See you next time. Bye!